Ito. Iba't ibang tradisyon nating mga Kapampangan. Pagmamano tuwing Pasko o December 25 sa ninong at ninang, mga kamag-anak like lola, lolo, lola at maging tito at tita. Okay. Holy Week with tradition such as the pabasa and chanting of the Passion of Christ. Visita Iglesia, where Catholic visit 7 churches to pray and reflect. Sinukan Festival. This annual festival celebrates Aring Sinukan, an ancient Kapampangan god, and features elaborate street dancing symbolizing the culture, pride, and heritage. Liglangan Parol or Christmas Carol. Pampanga is famous for its Christmas lanterns, especially the giant parols that are paraded during the holidays in San Fernando, Pampanga. Apong Hero of Apali. Pampanga Fluvial Procession, the Thanksgiving procession honoring the River of God, is now dedicated to Saint Peter. Iba't ibang handa o pagkain tuwing may okasyon. Bringe, hinge, kapampangan na bersyon ng pela. Morcon o morcon. Rolyo ng karaniwang ay baka o baboy na may pinong itlog, chorizo, keso, gulay. Handa para sa mga pista o Christmas Eve. Siksik, isa sa pinakasikat na Kapampangan dish. Tibok-tibok, dessert na gawa sa gatas ng kalabaw at giniling na bigas. At Sara, pickled na green papaya at gulay. Lechon. Finish.